Hello everyone, Dr. Emmerich here, and today we're going to show you how to adjust your dreamTAP. Now the good news is this is a really easy device to adjust, but it's really important to make sure that the hook is moving in the right direction in order to advance your lower jaw forward. So let's take a look. With the dreamTAP, all of our advancements are going to be made by moving the hook that's located on the lower tray. See, we got the upper tray and the lower tray with the hook. Each line here will denote a millimeter of advancement. Now in order to move the lower jaw forward, it's important to pay attention and make sure that when you make the titration, the hook will move towards the back of the mouth or towards the back teeth. So to make the adjustment, you simply insert the key into the little keyhole here in the front, and we'll make 2 full turns counterclockwise. You can see we've got a little white dot noted here to help us denote 1 full turn. So after making the 2 full turns counterclockwise, we've advanced 1 millimeter. And now that we're finished, you can log the advancement in your record sheet and store your key in a safe place. And that's it. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments, or you can contact us via email or phone. We have our contact information listed below. You can always Google us at Ohio Sleep Treatment for more information on our website. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.